In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create table in Gmail. Gmail does not include a built-in table tool in the email editor. A reliable workaround is to create a small grid in Google Sheets, copy it, and then paste it into your email. This keeps the rows and columns aligned so your message looks clean and easy to read. First, open Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, navigate to Google Sheets. If you are already signed in to your Google account, you should land on the Sheets homepage where you can create a new spreadsheet. Now click the plus sign option for a blank sheet to start a new file. You will see an empty grid of cells. This is where you will build the table you want to use in your Gmail message. Next, highlight the number of rows and columns you want for your table. For example, you might select a few columns across and a few rows down, depending on how much information you plan to include. Take a moment to select only what you need, because whatever you highlight is what will be copied into Gmail. With your cells still highlighted, go to the top toolbar and click the Borders icon. From the border options, select All Borders. This is important because it makes the grid lines visible, so when you paste into Gmail, it will look like a proper table instead of plain text. After the borders are applied, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy the selected grid. Make sure the same range of cells remains selected while you copy, so you capture the full table area. Now switch over to your Gmail tab. In Gmail, click the Compose button in the top left area to start a new email. Click inside the body of the message, where you would normally type your email content. Then press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste. You should see your table appear in the email body with clear rows and columns. At this point, you can type your data directly into the table cells inside the email. Click a cell and start typing. Then move to the next cell as needed. Keep your entries short for the best readability. And if you need more space, you can adjust your original table in Sheets and paste again. And that is all there is to it.